just ask me if I want to drive the baler?
I think you can handle it.
Okay. You can hear how quiet it's running in there with those pickup bands. There's no steel on steel sound. Yeah. I don't bale a lot, but I've been around it enough to know that that's running pretty quiet.
I'd say it's probably twice as quiet as it was before in the metal pickup band.
Yeah. So we've got the May Wes poly pickup bands here, and as much as I know about baling, which is almost nothing, I'm going to say these are generally steel, correct? Is that right?
Normally they're steel.
Okay. You guys sell a ton of these, from my understanding.
We sell an awful lot of these, Zach.
Every brand?
Every brand. The most common brands. So we have the Case Age, New Holland,
Yep.
Hesston, Massey-Ferguson, Vermeer, AGCO, and of course today our favorite, John Deere.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. All color matching?
All color
Because that's
matching.
important. They got to look sporty.
That's very important.
Yep.
So, and the nice thing about our poly pickup bands, if for some reason you would cut one or you start to groove one side, that color's going to remain through all the way through that band.
Okay.
So you'll never have a dull finish. It will always look new.
It'll always look new, and I'm guessing, should you happen to break one and it goes through the machine, there's a lot less damage likely than with a steel one?
Correct. You won't get no damage at all.
Okay. Can you break them?
I haven't broke one yet. We put them through the metal, and that's tough ground. I haven't broke.
We better try.
We better try.
No, I like the flexibility of them, where the metal ones, they would bend and they don't flex back. Metal bends and it stays, where these will flex right back into place again, which is really nice. It's easier on the teeth all throughout. Obviously on a alpha ground, this flat ground, it doesn't work them too hard, but you're down in the metal ground stuff where you're just trying to find some filler hay for the fall in the winter time. This is where those really come in handy.
Awesome.
You're eliminating the metal on metal as the pickup teeth are coming around.
Sure.
So you eliminate that chatter.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And then therefore too, a lot of times if you get a bent tooth and you start shaving that band, you start to get that metal in that forage. I think Ryan said it was 22% moisture, so it's a little on the tough side. But what's nice about the poly pickup bands, that's going to constantly feed in. So what happens with that moisture on whether it's hay, straw, or what you're baling?
Oh, the poly allows the higher moisture to feed a lot more consistently?
More consistently. And
okay.
Then you get a much more even bale because you're not getting that big